Hey guys, so today it's the 10th of July, which means it's Dylan's driving test day. Right, we're going to tell you what happened, and I will let you know that I was really frustrated. I'm a bit better now, but yeah, before I explain what happened, for those of you that haven't been following Dylan's journey, we started lessons just under 4 weeks ago. It was a new thing I was doing on the channel, where lessons close together nearly every day or every other day, and I wanted to get Dylan ready for the test within 24 hours of driving lessons, just to show you how my driving course, the ultimate driving course, helps. And yeah, we kind of achieved the goal of getting Dylan ready for his test. Would you say you were test ready, Dylan?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. Now I'm gonna explain what happened. So just to let you know, it's 10th of July, as you can see on my phone there. Yeah. The reason why I'm showing you that, because some people might think, this was filmed way afterwards, or yeah, because of what happened today, we're just we might not be telling the truth. But yeah, we've got emails and everything that we're gonna just show you now as well. Yeah. So yesterday we were supposed to do Dylan's 24th lesson, yeah, 24th hour, and we planned it for the evening. Yeah, like we've been doing a lot of the lessons in the evening because of the weather. Like today, it's really hot. So I was about to pick you up about 6, half 6, and he sent me you called me. Did you call me? Send me a message. You called me.
Called you about 3:50, innit?
Yeah. He called me at that time, and this is what he had received. Well, let me show you. So he received an email. Well, it was on your mum's email address, yeah? Okay. So the email said, I'll put a screenshot of the email on screen as well. So, dear Mr. Kayla, we can't conduct your car test on Thursday, 10th of the 7th, 2025 at 10:04 at Wolverhampton due to your driving examiner no longer being available. I'm sorry for any inconvenience this might cause you. We've now booked your test for Thursday, 14th of August, 2025 at 8 o'clock. That's 8 a.m. in the morning. Right, and yeah, if the new test day is inconvenient, you can go onto this link and then obviously change it, yeah? Okay, the last day you have to cancel or change this day is the 1st of August. So yeah guys, that's what happened. Dylan's driving test was rearranged, just cancelled a day, not cancelled, but rearranged the day before his actual test. How did that make you feel?
At the time, I was in disbelief, and that's when I phoned you.
Yeah.
I thought it said change the time from obviously 10 o'clock to 8 o'clock.
Yeah.
I didn't read the second bit where it said 14th of August, sorry.
Yeah.
And then, I was annoyed, man.
Yeah, it's one of those things, you can't do anything, mate. Obviously, something obviously happened with the examiner. They're probably short of examiners or whatnot, but yeah, it is frustrating. But we're lucky. It's not like they could have booked in another 3 or 4 months away because of the way test dates are going. Yeah, we've got a date of 14th of August. Thing is, I'm going away for about 12 days at the end of July, the last day of July, yeah. So I should be back by 10th of August. So we're gonna have a couple of days anyway, yeah. So we were just gonna do one more lesson, but we probably will do 1 or 2 more, yeah, because obviously we're gonna have a bit of a gap between lessons, and might need to do extra couple of lessons. The other thing that I'm gonna do is I'll put it out there to a few instructors that I know, a couple of instructor groups. If anybody wants to swap a test date, see if we can get one before the end of July, for the next couple of weeks. Obviously we're a bit behind in filming, so yeah, this is going to be uploaded about 2 weeks later anyway, but yeah, it's frustrating guys, nothing that we can do about it, but the positive thing is at least you didn't fail. Okay, right, and you got a bit more time to practice,
definitely.
Okay, but yeah, like I said, it was just because we're doing the lessons continuous, we timed it perfectly to the actual test date, and just getting the email the day before was a bit frustrating. But yeah, it's we're kind of over it now. Okay, like I said, it's only a month, but I'll try and get another test day, see if we can swap it with one of our other learners, or if any other instructor I know can as well. Right then, so that's it guys, thank you so much for following Dylan's journey so far, and obviously if you're watching this video now, basically soon after this video is uploaded, his test, because like I said, we're a couple of weeks behind, his test will be about 1 or 2 weeks away anyway. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.